Go live it. You're short like Nique, man.
Who taller? Who's taller? I'm taller.
Now they say niggas say me and you are 6 foot in your bro. They were 5 foot.
You say my 6.
No, sir. Must say ticks.
It is obvious that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
Morning, my peeps. Morning. You don't know the thing set, you know. Orlando. Yeah, we have come out of our place. See? We have come out of our place. Yeah, man, me and Nique, you know. You don't know. Look how Nique pretty. Look how Nique pretty. How do them, man?
Hey guys, we are leaving the hotel. We're not leaving Orlando.
Hi.
But we're leaving the hotel.
Yeah.
One night in Dubai, or a night in Dubai.
Yeah.
Orlando escapades was lit. Okay. I had fun and I was tipsy, but I had so much fun. Done. Big up yourself. Thank you so much for all the accommodations. You made sure that I was good the whole night. You kept asking me if I was good, if I needed anything. Thank you so much for the hospitality. It is just greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much. And Livy, you know I already love you, girl. So yeah.
You see them a check in for her, you know. I know nobody nothing to me, you know. You know that, right?
You jealous?
So you don't know.
Livy tell me, so I smell nice. Livy said, oh my God, you smell good. Hear him now. So I ended up telling me, so she said I didn't even come out the car.
So anyway, as I say, we are live with big mansion. See that? Up in the air, we up in the top of top. We up in the top of top, me there. See there? See my room there? Roop. You know, so we not go home right now, but you don't know. We are carry which part. We are carry no which part we are go. So we saw a link on the back said downtown Orlando. You don't know the thing set down. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. A city to city, man. I'm going to city to city.
Oh my God.
Yeah, man.
You saw him none of manners?
Yeah, I'm about 2 Red Bull now, baby. And 3 Monster. Wow. I probably a B12 I want.
Oh, for real.
Yeah,
From the body.
Shout some B12 and doing a good dog. I say go. You don't know the thing set. But I showed a little pizza. Yeah, I mean downtown Orlando, who don't know. Yeah, cause me never know. I just see it a while ago.
Now you know.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean. So when we reach around one part of one place, we might tell us we're gonna go. We link on the back, you know.
Treat me as a friend.
Yeah. That's how we get there. Yeah, you don't know the thing set, you know? Rash Nique, we're there again, though. Still in Orlando. But I don't know, we have some special guests on the channel in the idea, though. Yeah. Nah, I say nothing. Them introduce themselves.
Hi guys, y'all know me. This is Livy. Yeah, and I'm here with Nique and Rash and Onedan.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
A good vibes, man. We're there. Rash Nique, good people.
Very good.
Good people.
What ya?
Yes, sir, man.
Yeah.
But I told Livy, I said, I feel like I know y'all for years.
I know.
It just, you know, sometimes you grow up with some people and it feels like kind of awkward.
Yeah.
Like it just kind of, you know, yeah. And you feel, yeah.
It's just one of them things. It's just, and that's why I know, and if some people just understand Rash, not everybody should be a friend.
Nope.
Right? And not everybody have to get along with. That's why when a person pick me, it's okay. Me understand.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah, some people do the most to get friends from people.
They're pick-me's.
things I got. My neighbor there, so me and him just click. So me very considerate him, very family oriented. You understand? Same like you and needs. You see me?
Yeah,
so it's okay, people. Don't get mad when people not pick on them.
Don't be mad. Get glad.
Yeah. There's a reason. Every person when them a look to pick them and them all kill them. Like,
Yeah.
think about it. Just think about it. My friend I kill friend. I force it, man. Sometimes God want you to breathe like this.
But sometimes God want bless you, you know. Let's say person when
Keep
you're
that
far
wrong.
with, or so, them not forget the blessing that.
Yeah.
So that's why God don't give.
They're blocking your blessing.
Yep.
Yeah.
And
took the words out of my mouth.
No, sure about that. Sure about that. God blessing us a flow for me now.
Me sure.
Same.
When before me live it talk, I mean there with in my other relationship. As me tell you, I was young, so I was mature, but my level of thinking.
Yeah.
People have to understand. You're far around a bag of people. Not everybody is the same as you. There's people around you with tips sitting in your drink. There's people around you just did their do what they can get to right now. And sometimes God just want you to shake up and say, yo, change up your life. I don't even know. We're moving together. My life was like everybody there. Me, I'm back here like this, man. Link one of my DJ friend and whatever.
Yeah, me.
I had a little girl too. I said I don't want how you was with your ex while at a man. Sorry, like I don't want that.
Yeah. Real talk. I'm a private person, like especially in your personal space where you have to lay your head. You have to protect your space. You have to.
When I run a lot of man in the house with the ex, I was like,
No, for real.
But Livy, I saw it growing up.
yeah.
I saw it go for I saw it grow.
Yeah, that's true.
In the country, so the other people in the yard and, you know what I mean? They
Yeah.
go for them yard tomorrow or next week. I saw it grow, but I realized another life.
Yeah, like I said, I wouldn't mind if they come, but it was like some of them used to contact me. That was the one.
Oh no, that's disrespectful.
Yeah, like when I first met him, you know, most of them. So that's why I said like I don't want them because it's kind of awkward.
It is awkward, and it's gonna make you feel uncomfortable in your own home.
So
Yeah. Real talk.
Me just feel like say life. Me don't feel like say life is like a puzzle. And like a lot of people have the patience to try to figure it out. For me, something I don't figure out life,
yeah.
And
Yeah,
there's
because
some
there's so
old
much.
people, a lot of people
learn.
like, old people are smarter. Not every time. Yes, they have certain knowledge.
True.
There are some old people just lock up in our house and I see them all them life, so they
That
don't
is
know
so
nothing.
true.
So them always say, old time people used to say, no. We have technology, I think, and experience each wisdom. Me have gone full family twice to when we could have get shot because I'm in a situation was a joke situation. Nobody can tell me I feel if I never go through that. You
True.
understand? So life is just a game where you go through certain stuff. You just thank God for it. Yeah, you have to thank God for it, but yeah, man, me and Livi, we know buy a nice brand new X5 them. We give them deposit for the money already and then not happen.
I'm glad we never do this.
And I swear every game we talk about it. We talk about a 75,000 car.
For what?
You see me, I know we not have one car payment. And we choose not to.
Neither do we.
My car there and then
You see my car? My car is a Camry 2004. My car is as old as my daughter.
Well, guess what? My car I go same place which for them I pay every month. If them car I go see my car I go same place.
But the car you have to use with is the rental. That's not our car.
I tell people from in America, once you reach certain age weeks, you have to know what you can afford. Yes, we work hard or whatever.
You want nice things.
$75,000 car.
No.
Not because we can't pay for it every month.
Yeah.
Think about it.
The maintenance.
That car is a liability. That means that they not go turn no money unless you put it on tour. I mean, know that some people I go say, oh, you can put it on tour, but how many people on tour are looking for X5 and for rent?
Yeah.
And if nothing wrong with our car, why we want that payment? But if our car's good, taking us where we have to go.
I'm never telling the people from that vlog, America, not because the boy, drive a daily, that don't mean you have money, because we can get it because we have good credit, right? And we can go fuck up on 10 grand. We can hustle up at 10 grand and get them a dip again.
Real talk.
You see me, I hustle up and great. But why do that way?
And drive off at the lot.
And drive off and just drive it off 20 grand, 10 grand come off by value.
And depreciate.
Yeah, me and the Anique said, alright, you have good credit, you have a job, so you have to take out this big care of the money. Suppose you lose your job,
Yeah.
or you don't pay enough.
But you know what I like about we stick to a little car. We could have go try buy big car, big name car, try keep up with this person and that person. No. We're satisfied with what we have.
Yeah,
And when better come, better come.
simple.
Like we're not trying to impress, we're not trying to live you know, beyond our means to try to prove up nothing. Try to prove a point. Like, no. I'm satisfied with my car because a lot of people see me, they're like, oh, you know, because of how I carry myself, them things say, oh, maybe when I like this big top car or whatever. But no, I'm a very down to, not because of how I look. I'm not, I don't act like how I look. Because some people say, oh, she's bougie, but I'm not. You know what I'm saying? And to me, I don't care what people have to say. Because even when we was back in Houston, we wasn't like trying to buy bottles every time we go out to try to prove a point or whatever. So we saw this to people like, kind of, I like a drift away because, you know, we're not trying to keep up.
We're like that. We're not like that. We're like that.
She owned one of the best cars in the world.
It's what?
Yeah. So
Trust me.
All your great grand pitney go up the car there.
Everything from that car work. If you lift up the hood, I'll look on the engine oil. Crisp and clean.
Let me tell you something. One of the best thing somebody can have in a foreign. One of the best thing will help a lot of people who watch the vlog here. And when you not care zero if somebody says.
Thank you. You just sum up everything.
Living know how much cash me can spend. When we even buy the house, much cash, thousands. And one then could I in a big jail here. We could have put on 20-30 grand on a car, which was not to. One of the best thing, Rash, and when you care zero.
Yeah, better than that, what I just said, baby.
You care below zero.
I care below zero.
That's just
Yeah, and that me I just said, I care below zero, brother. I remember, you know, why you are free when people ask about you?
And the people,
Come on, you're not even, them not even knowing their house, them not coming in their house, they don't know. You have to start out your family, your wife,
and care no make everybody happy.
for real.
Yeah, I like me as well.
so me got some problems. I just said, if carry me up can drag out anywhere, the
Same way.
The jail nice.
I remember say camera with me we go farther than the jail.
Yeah, because the jail, if any little thing stop a road, you know.
Lockdown
Carry home, you
man.
know.
Yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Carry home even if a baffle it a baffle.
Yeah, man, but sometimes I like to be satisfied, not try to prove nothing for nobody. Or just satisfy until simple as some look on life. Really.
A real thing.
You have to be able to maintain that.
I was telling her, remember my Nissan Altima, the engine had blow? And you fix it to put it
I changed the engine.
I'm so glad like I didn't rush into go gas.
But me I tell you though, when it all on there, you see when it come on to finance, and me are the one where tell her what to do.
I had wanted at the time to go get but
She wanted, she just want, she don't want to stress no more.
with a car.
I'm saying Olivia, you know say with credit, alright, you see buying a house right now, you know I go perfect when you're ready. Cause the debt to income ratio, when they come out, you don't have a car payment. A lot of these people buying car now realize say if you're gonna within 10 years your mentally gonna change and say, you know me I pray a house, and when you're stuck with a loan for 40,000, 50,000 a car loan, your debt to income ratio not gonna balance off. And again we not bash people who have nice car, them choose to, and we not safe enough to have that near choice, but not because you make 70,000 a year you want a jelly, not because you can rate.
But Dan, but that's their choice. But don't put down people who choose
Not to.
not to. You get what I'm saying?
Them people, they sometimes I'm not in pay people mind, you know.
Me either.
Cause me as a YouTuber, when people see me Lexus, me 2010 Lexus, me know thing good at things say.
Yeah, like why they
But I'm comfortable. That's
Thank
not
you.
gonna stop.
Thank you. Don't dread good. Alright.
Yeah, for you and your family. And from you and your family, comfortable. Below 0.
Below. Care. That one the bad. Me on TV, you know. No, me no want to try TV and me see state reach out, it's copyright, you know. I care below 0.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
From people, I just know that Nick, me as a man, me look deep in a life, very deep. And me look deep as far as you know, say, all away or dead.
No, for real.
So when me, I'm not carrying nothing. So here what we have to do, we have to do what make we happy.
Yep.
And me we have to say, if a new car make you happy, make you happy. But me always tell people this, you see that new car, you have to for a month it will become a old car, because you'll get used to it. But guess what, you're not going to get used to paying that same money after I calm your emotions. Because I get in a car now, it's excited feelings.
Yes, it is.
Oh, we can do that. Oh, me I see over a screw and the camera up this and that we not say about the BMW. So, oh, we are seeing next car then we park on the screen. You understand? The next car and living in there, oh my God, peanut butter and we get excited.
Well, as we drive off, like that thing came off of how the feeling.
No, it came off of you. It was still on me. So we did that, we are saying, Rash, yo, the car nice, huh? We give them deposit. Give them deposit fee to run me credit. Yeah, we approve you. But my banking don't approve me, but them want to give me. Because them want everything saying for them thing, you see me? And then Livi said, babe, she said, babe, right, of course, never really said, right? I said, like, oh, we are dealing with this stuff. No. So we just leave it alone. I said, no, I'll just call the guy and say, I can't give up the deposit because they know I talk to my other half. And then say, you can get it back, whatever. And I swear to God, Nick, I want to have the best decision if you don't get that car. Because look here, people have to understand, when you get the iPhone 15, it come out, or the 14, you're so into it.
September.
Until it just a drop, and it crack up. And you say, nah, we're good.
So by next
But guess
time,
what?
I might do something.
Same like car. Worst go get one hit I use them no hit car, but me stuck with this and me not have gap insurance and it mess up your credit. So me learn that part of life then. Me not feel say me go ever make an investment no way. It will be a investing a liability unless we have real money.
Yeah.
If we have real money now, we are maybe dep on a yacht now and just not care about.
Right.
And people have to know your finances, yeah, man.
Well, everyone knows what's up with my mind a while ago. I'm not so much into cars like that. When done prank cars, same buy our new car. That
In I see him Simon she in a cheap boat.
lit.
And Mr. Me buy a car one day and our cousin.
I want my Tesla.
Our cousin
one.
It was an Audi, right?
Yeah, my Audi.
Our cousin happened to buy an Audi and never
That's the
tell
same one that was just
I
here.
said, Goody come out of the car and walk up the road. I said,
And you see, that's when that happened with my car. The engine had blown. The Nissan around that
oh
time.
my God, so you
Yeah, that's
so
why I was so
excited.
excited.
Passionate.
So he
Man,
did
you
it the
was
right time.
mad. I was
That's it. Come over here.
No, when I say goodbye now.
Later.
Yeah. You don't know the things. We are move out, you know that. We don't
No, we
so.
just go somewhere and fall.
Yeah.
yeah.
Well, live it. You're short like
Yeah.
Nique, man.
Who taller?
Couldn't see her while ago.
I'm taller. I'm taller.
Taller.
Let me tell you. Now we say, Libby say me and you are 6 foot in a bro. Them are 5 foot.
Y'all got 6 foot. Yeah. What you?
Hold on.
No, I'm frightened.
Where is it? Move it. Where is it about him? Him say my 6.
No, sir. Must say ticks.
Stop listening to that music. Put your mother in the car, okay?
Well, my 6 and my not 6.
I am done. them are 6 and them are 10.
Many man are 6 foot. I don't feel a little bit tall. Him man have one slippers.
Hey, 1 inch or so though.
Hey, 1 inch.
I'm also done.
Yeah, man.
So, it was a great link up with G.
Yes, it was. We
Yeah.
had a blast. And thank you guys so much. We can't thank you enough for the hospitality, great time, conversation.
No, I teach hospitality.
Okay.
I know the hospital.
Okay.
I teach it.
You know something now about radio? Sure. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for everything that you guys have done this whole entire weekend. We had a great time. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And we hope to come back very, very soon and see you guys again. And we hope that you guys come and see us as well.
Yes,
We
we
get
will.
goodie.
Yes.
Yeah.
And a whole heap of good live full of food. People, I'm not going to stop. Are we get guests already?
I wish I
Yeah,
had
we're good.
Yeah,
I
we
wish
get
I had
started, right?
food.
Yeah?
Right down.
So, you know, straight, right?
Libby is our man when she cook for me. I mean, I eat here, she vex, you know. And Libby actually cook for me and watch me eat every
She
day.
like when our man eat. Yeah, she want our man eat.
Babe, just eat it.
I'll leave it out eat.
And she not eat.
With our slim waist.
Alright.
Yeah.
But yeah, man. But we're leaving now, guys. So big up to Onedan Livi, y'all. Make sure you guys go and check out their channel. We will put the link either here or in the description. So make sure to check them out.
Yeah. And if you're watching and you're gonna subscribe to this channel, please press the button. Okay, what
It's
you
easy.
waiting for? Like the video.
Hold on, you come like you're on. I tell you, boy, on long on my one. Now, wham.
I'm not trying to say you know done. You on them like.
Then shut up.
Yeah, man. You have a problem. Yeah, you need therapy.
What's your
Oh, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Brad, no, wide out.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So
Yeah, man, so,
Rash
yeah.
Nique.
Big up.
Yeah.
Mama Lorna back.
I want to go in my mouth, Lord. I want to go.
I rock and they go and they go for the rabbit.
But that camera is nice, see me?
Yeah, nice. I like it.
I love it.
I love
Camera
it.
nice.
Yeah.
Rash Nique. See me?
Yes.
Hey guys, we are on the road, going home. I'm eating my snacks, living loaded up with snacks and food. Thank you, girl. These cookies are so good. I just ate my chips. This should hold me over till I get home. And thank you for the snacks.
Tell them where you're going to do.
Going to eat my oxtail?
Alright, you see? Bellias.
What ain't my business?
Bellias.
What ain't my business?
Bellias.
So you like that my business? And then you over there sing on the oxtail?
Me?
Yes?
Yeah, I sing because I say we can get a hit record.
Yeah.
Oxtail. And gungo recipes.
Look. We got a fan and cooking. Tough pack as a few mom. And the cookie them my man. But yeah. We're on the highway, we're heading home. Back to Fort Lauderdale. Yeah. Baby, I take on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah. Man, when I say guys, I just can't stop saying it. I had such a wonderful time. Like, it couldn't have been better. Trust
In 2
me.
miles, take exit 84A onto Colonial Drive towards State.
Oh, that girl like I'm talking on my video. Enough. Yeah, my lashes are so lean. I'll just take it off. But yeah. What a great, fun trip.
Man,
Everything was on point. It was just really nice. I enjoyed myself. I can't wait to come back. Yeah.
a couple weeks.
Couple more weeks. But yeah, guys, we're just on the road here, as you can see. That's it. That's all. I want to eat my snacks. So I'll have to talk to you guys later because I can't eat in peace and hold the camera and all that good stuff. So yeah. Bye. Hey guys. Hey. Oh Lord, guys. It's Monday morning and I'm already up. Me and Rash, we went to drop off the car, the rental, and we're back. I'm now here straightening up the room, packing out all our stuff, putting everything away. But guys, let me tell y'all, I plan on packing out all this stuff and taking my butt to sleep. Excuse my hair. My hair looks a mess. But yeah, I plan on packing out all this stuff and taking my butt to sleep. I need a nap. I am so tired, guys. Night in Dubai was definitely a success. It was a great weekend. Me being sleep deprived was well worth it, may not ask. And we just had a great time. I wish I could just rewind the weekend and do it all over again. That's how much fun we had, and it was just a great time. But yeah, me and Rash are here. We're just getting our stuff all packed up and put away, and well, packed out I should say, and put away. And yeah, and I think I'm gonna go take a nap. We forgot to close out the vlog last night when we got home because we were so tired. But it wasn't a tired like, oh my god, we knew our body was like tired, but we were just like still amped up, like yeah, if we were still in Orlando, we still could go some more, you know. But yeah, so we came in last night, we showered, we didn't have no time to pack anything out, and mommy cooked oxtail. So you know, we tear up the oxtail, and then we shower and everything, and we went to bed. So yeah, and then we had to wake up early this morning to go drop off the rental. So yeah, we're back here now, home and safe and sound, and I just cannot thank. First of all, let me say this. Watch out, flames. Big up your damn self. Thank you so much for booking my baby, RASHKAMAR Entertainment. He came out, he did his thing. Your event was a success. Everybody that was booked or hosted or whatever, everybody came out, they showed out, they did their thing, and your event was a success. And I'm so happy for you, and I'm proud of you. And I just want to say, Onedan Livi, because you know me, I have to big up Livi, the wife of the queen. Big up yourself, Livi. Like, really and truly, you are such a gem. You are such a sweet heart. You have a pure, clean, genuine heart. I'm gonna ask. I know you do. And you don't find people like that every day. You don't find people like you and Don every day. And I am so grateful that I'm, you know, got a chance to have an experience with you guys, and just the accommodations, the hospitality. You guys made us feel so comfortable. We felt so comfortable. We had so much fun. We could have just been ourselves. We could have just relaxed. Even though we're always going to be ourselves, we could just relax and have a great time with you guys. And it is greatly appreciated. So Russia, greatly appreciated, because you guys are very real, genuine, good, clean hearted people. And like I said, me not ask nobody no permission. I know, real recognize real, and you guys are very rare, and people like you are very hard to find, and we don't for a second take you guys for granted. And we just want to big you guys up and thank you guys for everything. Yeah, every single thing. From even before we came to Orlando, even before the booking, you guys have been supporting Rash Nique. You guys have just been just amazing, and this is not something that you guys have to do. So we are like, I'm lost for words. We just really love and appreciate you guys. And yeah, So big up on yourself. And make sure so you guys go check out Onedan Livi. They're lit, okay? Make sure y'all go run over there now. Me no want hear nothing. Run, go over there now. Up, skip, jump. Me no care what you want to do. Go over there no. If you're not subscribed to Onedan Livi, what are you doing? Go subscribe to their channel. They are lit, okay? And them real good people. Yeah, so y'all go show them some love. Whoever is not subscribed to them already, let them know Rash Nique sent you. And yeah, you guys are gonna have a great time over there. Trust me, I'm not telling you nothing that I don't know myself. Y'all gonna have a great time over there. They're very entertaining, great content. They're just great people. So yeah, go check them out. I'll leave the link down below. Y'all already know what to do. Run, jump, skip, up, go over there. Do the right thing.
I live it. She never out the whole it snack them before she touch the highway.
Leave me alone.
Yeah.
Livy?
Wait, it look like it'll go slower.
I don't know, because it's on that focus thing. Livy, big up yourself, goodie. Man, when I tell you, when I left Livy house yesterday, I had a bag full of snacks. Even when I'm walking through the door, going to the car, Livy's like, you sure that's enough? You want more stuff? Let me tell you, people, the way all Livy's sweet and nice and so accommodating, Livy would have just give me the oats for take with me, come back and Fort Lauderdale. She's so sweet. We had so much snacks. We had food. We have jerk chicken and bread, bun and cheese. She give me one bag of cookie, chips, soda, water, all of that. We didn't have to stop for nothing. No food, no snacks, no nothing. We just one straight go. Come home. Thank you guys so much from my heart. Not even from the bottom of my heart. The whole of my heart. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And we were so sad we didn't want to go. We were so sad we didn't want to go. The time was short. But you know what? We're not too far away. So, you know, we can always make back the link again.
The drive nice.
Yeah, the drive was nice. It wasn't bad at all. 1-2. Yeah. So on the done one. Till we soon again. Till we link up again. All our Rash Nique supporters. Do the right thing. Like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed already, tell a friend to tell a friend about Rash Nique. And I think we're gonna close out the vlog here, guys. We love you guys so much. Thank you for joining us on this Orlando vlog, going to Escapades Orlando at night in Dubai. Thank you for coming with us to spend some time with Onedan Livi. And yes, thank you guys for always supporting us. We love you guys so much, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.